Alright, so we're going to continue with the reassembly of the N55. We're going to go ahead and install the oil pump. Recall all 6 pistons rods have been installed. All bearing clearances have been checked and all within factory specification. New bolts installed and torqued to factory spec. Oil pump has been cleaned and inspected. Disassembly cleaned and inspected. I'm going to put a link up above to N55 oil pump. This is typically what I do for all oil pumps. Take a look at that if you're interested. So this one is ready to go. Looks good, very clean, ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and install this. Okay. Okay. 3 new aluminum screws. This one is a 37 millimeter long. This is 123 millimeter, and this one is 31 millimeter long. This one here, the 2 short ones, the 37 millimeter and the 31 millimeter, angle torque is 90 degrees. Okay, visually that looks good. We can see the 90 degrees mark. This 123 millimeter is 180 degrees. Okay. $180. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and install the vacuum pump with the new gasket. Tabs, 2 tabs line up here, 1 tab lines up there. Okay. I've added a little bit of red Loctite onto these. The torque on these are just 10 Newton meters. Vacuum pumps installed. Okay. We'll go to the... Oh, so welcome back. We're going to continue to build on the N55 serial number 7701. So we need to go ahead and install our chain module. I've gone ahead and assembled the chain module. If you guys want to take a look how that's done, I'll put a link up above to a short little video that I did of assembling the chain module. We can see we've got a new grip disc installed. This is the updated version. You've got the disc attached to the sprocket front and back. So new one installed, new chain guide, new retainer for the sprocket. So let's go ahead and install this. All right, got our new chain guide, new grip disc. All right, so we have to rotate the oil pump, align it to try to find this dowel hole to pin it, to torque it. There we go. Right there. Okay, 45 degrees. Okay. 45 degrees. Good. Okay, chain module is installed. Got our bolt torque down here, here. Installed our oil pump gear. Installed our vacuum pump gear. New bolt, new grip disc. We're going to go ahead and torque this 100 Newton meters. Okay. All right, so we've gone ahead and torqued the hub. We want to go ahead and install the oil baffle right here. But before we do that, this has been cleaned, but I want to scope out inside here. I want to make sure there's no metal or no debris. So, got a little bit of a borescope right here. I'm going to stick this borescope into here. Wow. You guys can see there's some belt fragments inside there. We gotta get those out. Okay, let's get those out. Cleared. Oh, so you guys can see this. Good, all clear. We're about ready to put this oil baffle on, but before we do so, we're gonna do one last check inside here. Take a look, make sure nothing is inside here, everything looks good. Then we're gonna install the baffle and torque it down. Alright, baffle is installed. Visually we can see everything's been torqued 90 degrees. Oil pump, visually we can see torque on the nut, 90 degrees. This one here is 180. Alright, so oil pan's ready to go on. What we're going to start with is installing the LOCTITE sealant. Or LOCTITE sealant in between the bed plate and the block. Alright, so block has been torqued already. Main bearings are torqued. Outer aluminum screws have been installed and torqued. So the first thing we want to do is to be able to blow out the holes. You guys can see right here. These holes right here. Blow compressed air through it and make sure you have air coming through the front of the crankshaft hub at the openings and at the rear as well. Okay, go ahead and put a piece of plastic and you should be able to see it move. So there is moving the plastic. Okay, we do the same thing for the back. Okay, that's good. We have our two new valves. First thing, blow a little air, make sure this opens up and you can feel the air through the back side. Okay. Inspect your hole here, make sure it's clear. Install your injection valve. We go ahead and do the same thing again. We test it, make sure air is coming through. That's good. That's good. Now, this is the tedious and the patient part. Okay? You've got your tool, new sealant. Okay? Put your nozzle right over the outside diameter of the injection nozzle. Keep a little pressure and slowly turn this. And you wait. You do one turn and you wait. Allow the pressure to equalize and the pressure that we put into the tube here to be able to have enough time to press it through and allow it to flow through. Give it a little time. You'll have a little bit of seepage right at the nozzle area here, but not a whole lot. Just gotta find that sweet position of this nozzle on there to keep it sealed. Okay, this will take a while. This can take up to 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna do a time lapse here, but it's just patient, stay in here, one turn at a time and wait. Wait like 30 seconds and then do another turn, okay?